Hello friends, very good evening, very good morning, very good afternoon. This is Kalp Shah from Kalp Shah CA classes and Agarwal Consultants. Sorry. Today we are going to see how to find your AD code and how to find your port code. In export import, these are two important codes. One is port code, the port from which you want to export or import, and another is your bank's AD code. AD code is a code, full form is authorized dealer code, which is given by RBI to each bank. It is not your code, like just it's not like related to your firm, your entity. It is related to banks. All the banks are authorized dealers of foreign exchange. Only the authorized dealers of RBI can deal in foreign exchange in India. You and me cannot just keep the dollars into whatever amount we want, or we cannot at least keep any dollars in our pocket or in our treasury or in our wallet, but only authorized dealer can have some foreign exchange. Let's see how to find authorized dealer code and your port code. These are and my name is Kalp Shah. I'm from Kalp Shah CA classes and Agarwal Consultants. Our mobile number 80002825091063599201. Below mentioned are the services we can provide you, like company incorporation, GST registration, GST, export refund, export with payment of IGST, export without payment of IGST. In that case, you will get a refund of ITC, then IEC registration, GST registration, port code registration, digital signature, merchant exporting, FEMA related compliances, income tax related compliances like income tax return, TDS, etc. We are giving the services in the best possible manner. And our website is legalsahayata.com. Our motto is छोड़िए लीगल चिंता, अपनाइए लीगल सहायता.com. आपका अपना लीगल पार्टनर कल्प शाह लीगल सहायता.com, wherein you can get GST registration, GST refund, GST returns, income tax return, income tax planning. We can save a single penny of yours by doing the optimum tax planning for income tax purposes. And another services which we provide, company incorporation, like making a new company, floating a new venture, or LLP or trademark registration, procuring your IPR, that is intellectual property rights, food license, that is central food license, which is needed for exporting goods from India, including manufacturing food license. We provide IEC code, etc. Other services. Now directly coming to the point, how to find your AD code and how to find your this port code. First of all, we will go to your port code. In Google, you need to type IceGate, and the website is icegate.gov.in, wherein you will find custom duty calculator. Therein you need to find you need to enter one small captcha. 80603 is a captcha, and here you will find EDI location and non-EDI location. EDI locations are the ports or ICDs or air cargo complex which are enabled by electronic data interchange. That means information technology has been imbibed or embedded in that port. So many functions are automatic on those ports. These are the EDI ports in India, around 255 ports. You need to control F, that is control F. You can write the name Mumbai Air Cargo, or Mumbai Air Cargo Complex is known as Sahar, SAHAR, Sahar. So this is Air Cargo Complex Sahar, Andheri, Mumbai, and that is the port code IN bomb 4. While applying AD code on IceGate website over here, I'll show you how to put AD code, etc. This is my own account on IceGate. My name is Kalpesh, short name Kalp Shah GST classes and Agarwal Consultant. छोड़िए लीगल चिंता, अपनाइए लीगल सहायता.com. आपका अपना लीगल पार्टनर कल्प शाह GST classes and legalsahayata.com. Kalp Shah's Legal Sahayata. So it is, in short, it is useful in applying AD code. Yes, here you can go in financial service, in bank account management, and AD code, authorized code registration. But how to find AD code? See, here you need to add account. and here you need to enter the AD code. AD code later will be given by bank on banks later. But this video is just for information purpose. But here you need to enter the port code. You need to select the port code. Here you can find the port codes for which you want to, from which you want to either export or import. How to add a port code in your profile, that you can find in account services, view profile, and in the modify profile you can add this particular port from which you want to export or import. Okay, so this is how you can find the port code and use it, port code and AD code. Now we are coming to AD code. So here in IceGate, you need to first of all log in. If you are already logged in, it will show welcome page. Here registration services, AD code details. Here you will select the bank in which your account is you are having. Indian Bank, search, and all the branches of Indian Bank which are having authorized dealer code will be shown over here. Against each branch there is an AD code, correct? Thus you can find AD code and port code for port code registration. But see, this AD code is not like that you need to find yourself. The bank people will be having their own AD code. This is just for confirmation purpose, that you can select your correct AD code, whether bank people has correctly typed or not. Okay, and we were finding this port code also. These are EDI, these are non-EDI locations which are not electronic data interchange enabled. Non-computerized, that wherein you need to file some extra forms also for foreign exchange, soft text and EDF forms. Then you can, this is the page, you can find some codes also over, more codes like country code, airline code, port code C, port code air, ITC, HS, and standard UKC. That means you can find adjacent code also over here only. Scheme code, customs EDI location, custom non-EDI location, unit quantity code, package, let's see, ITC, HS. That means you need to add some item and then add some description and then search. DD is not found description. Just enter the code. By this HSN code you can find following products. This four digit code and likewise 8-digit codes. So these are some functions which are available from IceGate itself. You don't need to find, or you don't need to go anywhere. Port code air. You just need to write either the code or name. Mumbai Sahar. Let me write Sahar. Sir, not coming, not fetching, but you can always go over there, which I showed you earlier. EDI ports. Here, EDI locations. ठीक है दोस्तों, और for more information you can always call or WhatsApp 80002825091063599201, and you can also find one PDF online only. This is published by CBIC. You need to write port code list PDF. Port code list PDF, CBIC, Central Board of Excise and Customs official website, and you can download this PDF wherein all the port codes have been mentioned, and whether it is EDI enabled or not is also mentioned, whether connected through EDI, functioning, non-EDI, functioning, non-functioning, EDI functioning hai ke nahi hai. If it is enabled, but it should also function, it should also work. That's it. I will also attach this PDF in the description link so that it can easily be found for you. And I was going through some this AD codes. This is registration services, AD code details, and you need to select the bank, Bandhan Bank, then search. But this AD code facility searching, I think only available for registered users. Unregistered users, I cannot find it. So for that you need to do IceGate registration with your digital signature and uploading Aadhaar card, IC and authorization letter if your is company or LLP or partnership, that means other than proprietorship, and authorization letter is required. A separate video already made, and let me elaborate our company also. My name is Kalp Shah from Kalp Shah GST classes in Agarwal Consultant. Our website online portal is kalpshahslegalsahayata.com. Forget legal worries. Use legalsahayata.com from Kalp Shah for all your queries related to GST, export, import, and all the compliances. We will help you compliance for doing the compliances. Thank you, friends.